Stellar is a decentralized blockchain platform that was launched in 2014 by co-founder of Ripple, Jed McCaleb. The platform's primary goal is to facilitate cross-border payments and remittances using its native cryptocurrency, Lumens. Stellar's mission is to provide an open financial infrastructure that can connect different financial systems and enable affordable, fast, and secure financial transactions across borders. Stellar's architecture is designed to support various financial services and applications, including money transfers, micropayments, mobile banking, and even asset issuance. Stellar's consensus algorithm, the Stellar Consensus Protocol, enables fast and secure transaction processing without relying on mining, as is the case with Bitcoin. SCP uses a network of decentralized nodes to reach consensus on the validity of transactions, ensuring that the network is resilient to attacks and maintains its integrity. One of the main benefits of using Stellar for cross-border payments is its ability to facilitate currency exchange between different fiat currencies and cryptocurrencies. This is made possible by Stellar's decentralized exchange, which allows users to trade different currencies and assets in a peer-to-peer manner. This feature is particularly useful in developing countries, where access to traditional banking services is limited, and remittances are often costly and slow. Stellar's low fees and fast transaction times can help reduce the cost and time required for cross-border payments, making it a viable alternative to traditional payment systems. Another advantage of Stellar is its ability to issue tokens representing real-world assets such as stocks, bonds, and commodities. This feature allows businesses to tokenize their assets, making them more accessible to a wider audience and enabling fractional ownership. Tokenization can also make it easier to trade assets, as it eliminates the need for intermediaries and can reduce transaction costs. Stellar's potential impact on the future of finance is significant. As the platform continues to gain adoption, it could provide a more inclusive and accessible financial system that connects different countries and economies. By reducing the cost and time required for cross-border payments, Stellar could help improve financial inclusion and reduce poverty in developing countries. Additionally, Stellar's ability to tokenize real-world assets could enable businesses to access new sources of capital and make investing more accessible to a wider audience. Overall, Stellar's potential to disrupt the traditional financial system is considerable. As more businesses and individuals adopt the platform, it could help create a more inclusive and accessible financial system that is faster, cheaper, and more secure. As such, Stellar is one of the most exciting blockchain platforms in the market today, and its potential to change the future of finance is significant.